Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and initiating the official unlock workflow. First, check whether the Uidai Biometric is locked and note the exact error message. Once done, log into the Rrb credential portal with your JE application ID and authenticated mobile OTP. Make sure you have scanned ID and supervisor authorization uploaded. These will be required for verification. Begin the unlock request form. Complete personal fields accurately and submit so the system generates a ref number for tracking. Next, proceed to the authorized biometric center or bank branch with the reference number. You will present original ID and the registration details. The operator will verify and record them. Then, capture fresh fingerprint/iris scans using the certified device. Follow prompts and reposition fingers if a read fails. Once scans are successful, the operator submits an online verification request to Uidai, and you receive immediate acknowledgement. Make sure the operator records the transaction ID and that you get a signed receipt for. Finally, monitor the application status on the Rrb or Uidai portal. Changes can take up to 72 hours to propagate. Once approved, you should be able to authenticate for exams or services. If the unlock is declined, make sure scans were high quality, names and DOB match exactly, and resubmit with corrected documents. For persistent failures, contact the Rrb help desk or Uidai support with your transaction ID and evidence. Escalate with the branch manager if needed to complete the process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.